Hi everybody, I am back with the brand growth idea of this week, and today we are going to talk about launching an online course on the topic of your brand. Yes, that certainly sounds a little different or a little too much of a work to do, but it certainly helps you building your brand, get more revenue insights, get to know more about your consumer and their pain points, what they are trying to seek help on, and also turn your course participants and attendants into your future clients. The size of online education currently, the market size of the booming online education market is 275 billion. Yes, that is the value of global e-learning market. It is no surprise that after the post-pandemic world, we are all feeling a void, a shallowness inside, and we are all out there looking for solutions online. Uh, Looking to align and collaborate with the people who can help us in skill building or mold our careers and give it a new shape or give us an orientation to move into a new world altogether. Uh, Call it the human evolution, but the statistics show it in a large way that everyone online is seeking for some solution to break through and get into something new, something different, be it around the skill, be it around the career shift, be it around the personal passion building or anything. To give you an example, I came across a fantastic course yesterday, which was being advertised on Facebook, and it said 33 days dance challenge. I was fascinated and excited. Blame it on the visuals of the course, but it was certainly looking very tempting, and it also gave me an insight into the dancing word. Dancing is something I've never done, I've never learned properly, but I just enjoy it. It is the biggest stress buster, and that's how I got into the program and decided to give it a shot, what it is all about. A very simple thing built for the working professionals, talking about or asking you for a commitment of 3 times a day only for 3 minutes. So even if you're at your desk or working on the couch in the living room, just get up and dance for 3 minutes and see the difference. So it is all about reviving yourself, rejuvenating your life, and breaking the mold and getting into something new, exciting, which helps you live better. Of course, that was exciting. But other than that, there are courses which are the nutritionists are talking about salad designing and helping you get in shape and get into a better health. There are yoga and yoga practitioners who are giving you courses which are all about chakra balancing, wherein you can actually learn how to calm yourself down and work on your mind, body and soul, and improvise your health overall. There are people who are NLP practitioners. There are trainers who are helping you work on your language and presentation skills. There are people who are life coaches and helping you find the right way out for your career and your life. So immense opportunities for people who are out there, who know their skill set, who trust their skill set, and are ready to share it all. So whatever knowledge you have, whatever direction you are trying to build your brand into, it is the right time to launch an online course and get straight to sharing knowledge and helping people find their solutions through what you know. And now you must be wondering how it helps a brand growth. To give you an example, the very first online course that I did some 5 years ago was something out of a free list building campaign, and the course did read that we were 13,000 people, a list of 13,000 people who subscribed to that free course. So you quickly do the free workshop kind of thing, and that's when you realize that okay, this is something which is helping you grow, which is adding value to your work. And that's how I enrolled in the first course, which was more detailed, which was more about the 6 month thing, giving me the frameworks, helping me build an insight into my business offering and everything. And guess what? It is the same organization or the same person wherein I signed up as the business advisors or as the mentors for my business, and we still work together for good 6 years today. So that's the power of joining online courses, creating online courses, and finding the right audience. So I am not suggesting you something which worked for me, but I'm also suggesting you something which has worked for millions of people out there. Now my first course is going to come in 2 weeks time, and trust me, I'm sure some of you who've been talking to me, who've been connected with me professionally or on the brand terms, have attended my phone calls, helped me with a 10-15 minute session, and answered my questions around my course design. So that's the kind of insight you really need to get into and ask people what is it that is troubling you, and what is it that you uh, like in this case me, I can help you with. So that's what I did internally, and I've been working on designing this course for last 1 year, working out on a module, trying to find out what my audience is looking for, and then creating something which really really adds value for them. So that is the one part of it. Of course I will keep you posted about my course, but now coming to the points, why creating a course is the thing, and you must do it for your brand growth. All right, so before you get on to designing your course, we must understand why they are going to be beneficial. The number one thing here is online courses are engaging, interactive, and they are also more action oriented. So they offer the methodologies and the the frameworks to actually help you understand and put yourself into action in developing uh, the journey after the course. So which is not the case with even the best kind of books that we read or the academics that we attend. So online courses are more about action. They are more authentic in terms of the person talking to you is an expert, and somebody who is been into that, been there, doing that kind of a thing. The second one is it is also considered as the best way to generate revenue out of your skill set and experience. So if you're doing something professionally for, let's say, a span of 8 years, 10 years, or 20 years, and so you understand the dynamics of it, and you understand the universe around your skill set. So it is always good, to generate online revenue, quick revenue, because the costs involved in setting up an online course is not that high, because digital assets are easy to manage and easy to create. They are also very cost effective. The fourth reason is the online courses are very easy to distribute, because we are talking about the online courses, so there are not too much of the logistics involved. Of course the effort and the the course designing needs to have really great input and research, involve people, ask them what is it that they are seeking, and then do it. But beyond that, you can really create something which is easy to distribute digitally, and easy to manage also. And the plus thing is you can always upgrade it, unlike the offline way of teaching. It gives you immense insight into the audience. Like I said, the very first course that I ever subscribed to, which was online, had a list of almost 13,000 members. So imagine the kind of insight that you are getting from that kind of an audience, and then you are drafting a course which is bang on to what they are looking for, and then you bring it out to the bunch of people who are really interested in hearing out to you, and you give them the frameworks. Of course, if you have watched the entire video, you know that the opportunity to grow begins from there and not just ends at somebody who buys the course. The next one is, it is also a way to build an audience of hundreds. Trust me on this, when I started working on my online course, I was very apprehensive and not sure of how many people will actually be there to hear me out. And I'm somebody who has been associated with academics for good 8 to 10 years now, but still, the online thing, it is very human that when we do something for the first time, we are a little bit scared. And the first online audience which I ever gave a workshop on was a 300 member group, and that's how I got the confidence of doing something online. Of course, I had the webinars with almost 3 people logging in and staying for the entire thing, and of course I got the good feedback for them, but it was little disappointing. And then the journey built on, and now I have webinars wherein we have close to 300 registrants, and the attendance size varies between 100, uh, 50 and 100. So there is nothing wrong in jumping out there and starting your own course, because when you reach out to the audience like that, that is where you not only understand the offerings that you have, the processes that you can create, but you also get an insight on the people who are out there looking for solutions which is around your brand. So if you are somebody who is into the financial management side or the investment management side, think about it, that what is it that you can do to the retail investors that they can really hop onto something and offer them an insight into something like stockbroking or personal finance, wherein you really add value to the audiences. If you're a nutritionist, plan a course which is very easy about your preparing your food charts, and help people understand how you can really help each and everybody through a course by telling them how food charts are important to have a properly managed diet. In my case, I am working on creating brand modules which are all about creating and empowering your personal brands, how to give your brand the right edge, how to be a winning personal brand on social media, so on and so forth. So that is what you have to do, why you need to create a course around your brand, and how it will not only help you establish your personal brand, but also help you reach out to an audience of hundreds and thousands. It can also be a new revenue stream that you can open up, and it can also lead you to winning more and better clients. So put your thinking caps on and start working on the course that you can offer. And I will be around with more brand growth ideas, more about my course in the coming weeks. Until then, take care and happy branding.